Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your country in your Indeed website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.indeed.com. Once you type it in, you will be landed on this kind of interface where you can see the profile icon on the right hand side of the menu bar. So now all you need to do is click the profile icon, and once you click it, you can get a drop down menu bar where you need to select the profile option. So once you select it, you will be redirected to its profile. So here all you need to do is click on your username, which will then lead you to a different page where you can find your country's option. So now you can simply click on the change button and you will be provided with a drop down bar with several other countries. So you can choose among all these countries, and this is how you change your country on Indeed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.